Hi friends, I'm Anupriya. Welcome to your English class. In this session, I'm going to pick an important grammar lesson that is active and passive verbs. And the tense we are going to learn in this session, that is future perfect tense. So, talking about the future perfect tense, very quickly just reveal the helping verb of this tense, that is will have. Yes, जब हम will have pronounce करते हैं वो show करता है future perfect tense. And what future perfect tense shows exactly in a sentence? Future perfect tense हमें किसी भी future के ऐसे action के बारे में show करता है जो कि future में complete हो गया हो. Yes, it shows the completed action of the future. Alright, so in this sentence we will learn that how future perfect tense can be converted into the passive voice. So as we have already revealed कि हमारा इसमें helping verb क्या है, will have है. Further we will see we put third form of the verb along with will have. Alright, so very quickly just tell me कि जब हमको convert करना होता है passive voice में, so what is the first step? First step is identifying the three things, and three things are subject, verb and object. So in this sentence you can see subject is you. Now will have, verb is started. Verb identify कौन सा करना होता है? Main verb करना होता है, ना कि helping verb. Alright, क्योंकि हम main verb को ही change करते हैं third form में. So future perfect tense में you can see he started, which is the already third form of the verb is here. ये already third form ही है verb का. Now last word is job, जो कि object है. So here in this sentence you started and job, ये तीन चीजें आपकी subject, verb and object है. Jumping on the passive formation, क्या रूल आता है सेकेंड कि हम ऑब्जेक्ट एंड सब्जेक्ट को एक्सचेंज कर देते हैं एक दूसरे से. ऑलराइट, सो यहाँ पर आप ध्यान से देखो, विल हैव आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब है एक्टिव सेंटेंसेस में, बट जब हम पैसिव में आते हैं तो हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या हो जाता है? विल हैव बीन प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब व्हिच इज अननेसेसरी पार्ट. सो द जॉब व्हिच वाज द ऑब्जेक्ट देयर, हियर इट इज अ सब्जेक्ट क्योंकि हमने एक्सचेंज कर दिया दोनों को. द जॉब विल हैव बीन started by whom? By you. You में ही रहता है, change नहीं होता है. जैसे हम he को him कर देते हैं, she को her कर देते हैं, but you remains you in your passive voice also. So next is taking the next one. You will not have started the job. Here it is a negative sentence. Now in passive voice what we'll do? Job हमारा यहाँ पर object है, so according to the rule we will put the object at the place of the subject और यहाँ पर हमारा object subject कहलाएगा. So the job will not have been third form of the verb started by you. You remains you in the passive form also. Next is interrogative, which is asking a question. When we ask a question in any tense, what we do? We put the helping verb at the head of the sentence. जैसे हमने यहाँ लिखा है, will you have started the job? I'm asking a question. Alright. So in the passive formation, we will see, will the job have been started by you? Passive form में भी will उसी जगह पर रहेगा, उसके बाद आपका ऑब्जेक्ट आएगा, क्योंकि ये इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. इसमें आप एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो, तो वो चाहे एक्टिव हो या पैसिव हो, आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब हेड ऑफ द सेंटेंस ही रहेगा. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट इज they will have got the rope. Now here our subject is plural और ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा क्या है? rope. I am not writing here ropes. You understand rope? A bundle of threads that you can say. So they will have got the rope. Rope here is a singular subject. But no worries because यहाँ पर आपका passive voice में एक ही helping verb है जो कि will have been है. तो subject या तो singular है या फिर plural है. We are putting only a helping verb in passive voice, that is will have been. Here the rope will have been caught by, they किसमें convert हो जाता है? Them. So the rope will have been caught by them. We will have learned lessons. Here we is also plural and lessons is also plural, but just because the this helping verb is saying have been, so lessons, which is plural, will have been learned by us. By us, क्योंकि यहाँ पर we है और we किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? us में, जब हम पैसिव वॉइस में सेंटेंस को क्रिएट करेंगे. लास्ट सेंटेंस इज she will have joined the class. Subject is singular, means one in number, and your object is also singular. She will have joined the class, not classes. Single class join की है उसने, so class will come at the head of the sentence because ये उसमें object है, तो यहाँ पर आपका ये subject बन जाएगा. The class, then comes the helping verb, will have been. Third form of the verb, joined by who? By her. So in this way, we have learned that in future perfect tense, when it is an active sentence, so the helping verb is will have plus third form of the verb. But when we talk about the passive sentence, हम subject को object को subject की जगह रख देते हैं. Then हमारा helping verb क्या होता है इसमें होता है will have been plus third form of the verb, and then comes your object जो कि आपका active subject है. So in this way, the session is closed. I hope that the things are very much clear to you. If something is not clear to you, if you have any doubt, if you have any query, please write us in the space given below and do tell us. Bye.